Choosing your first crypto exchange, a beginner's guide. Welcome to our beginner-friendly guide on choosing your first crypto exchange. Stepping into the world of cryptocurrency can feel like navigating uncharted waters, but picking the right exchange is the critical first step to ensure a safe and smooth start. In this video, we'll help you understand what a cryptocurrency exchange does, what factors to consider, and how to make an informed decision. Let's begin your crypto journey together with confidence. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others. Think of it as the gateway to accessing the world of crypto. These platforms are designed to allow you to convert your traditional money, like dollars or euros, into cryptocurrency or swap one crypto for another. It's similar to a stock exchange, but instead of stocks, you're dealing with digital assets. For beginners, a user-friendly exchange acts as the first stepping stone into understanding and managing these digital currencies. Choosing the right one sets the foundation for your success in the crypto space. The exchange you select impacts not just your experience, but also the security of your funds. Think of this as choosing a bank or financial institution. It must be trustworthy, safe, and cater to your needs. A good exchange ensures ease of use, reliable security measures, and a transparent fee structure, helping you avoid unnecessary stress and risks. By taking the time to research and select the right exchange, you can begin your crypto journey with peace of mind. Let's explore how to make that choice step by step. Not all exchanges are alike. They can be broadly categorized into two types: centralized exchanges, CX, and decentralized exchanges, DEX. Let's break this down clearly. Centralized exchanges, CEX. These are managed by a company that oversees the operations. Examples include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms are typically very user-friendly, making them ideal for beginners. They offer customer support, a secure environment, and often allow easy funding with local currency. Decentralized exchanges, DEX. These platforms, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, operate without a central authority. They rely on blockchain technology to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions. While offering more privacy and no middleman, they can be complicated for first-time users due to their technical nature. For most crypto beginners, centralized exchanges are the recommended starting point as they offer simplicity and support. When choosing your first exchange, there are several critical areas you should evaluate. Let's dive into what matters most. As a first-time crypto user, you'll benefit from an intuitive and easy-to-navigate platform. Look for exchanges with clean layouts, straightforward trading options, and mobile-friendly apps. Your digital assets are valuable, so protecting them is crucial. Prioritize exchanges with robust security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, where most funds are kept offline, regulatory compliance and transparency. Fees can add up quickly when buying, selling, or transferring crypto. Different exchanges have varying fees, including trading fees, a percentage of each transaction; withdrawal and deposit fees, costs to move money in or out of the exchange. Take the time to compare platforms to find one that aligns with your budget. Ensure that the exchange supports the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. If you're uncertain which crypto to start with, look for platforms with a wide selection to give you flexibility as you grow. Verify an exchange's reputation through online reviews, ratings, and news articles. Look for platforms with a long-standing record of reliability and integrity. Choosing a regulated exchange adds an extra layer of protection. It ensures that the company adheres to financial laws in your country, giving you peace of mind about its legitimacy. Different exchanges offer various ways to fund your account. Check whether the platform supports local payment methods such as credit cards, bank transfers, or other digital wallets. Also, pay close attention to any hidden fees associated with deposits. Beginners often start small, so confirming the minimum deposit or trading amounts is essential. Likewise, check withdrawal limits to ensure they align with your future plans as you progress in the crypto world. Good customer support can make all the difference for newcomers. Look for exchanges that provide responsive and helpful services, such as live chat, email, or well-documented FAQs. Some platforms go the extra mile by offering tools like demo accounts, built-in tutorials, or even automated portfolios. These features can make your experience smoother and more enjoyable as a beginner. So, how do you actually pick an exchange? Start by identifying your personal goals. Are you making a one-time purchase of Bitcoin, or do you want the ability to trade regularly? For first-time users, platforms with clear onboarding processes and simple features are generally the best choice. While we can't recommend specific platforms, popular beginner-friendly exchanges often include Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Take time to review their features, pros, and cons before diving in. Once you've chosen your exchange, you'll need to create an account. Expect to provide basic details such as your name, email address, and identification documents for KYC, Know Your Customer verification. This ensures a safe and secure platform for all users. Buying your first cryptocurrency on an exchange is usually straightforward. Fund your account using your chosen payment method. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Review current market prices and place your order. Store your new crypto securely. More on this next. Always double-check transaction fees and take small steps to familiarize yourself with the process. After your purchase, you'll need to decide where to store your cryptocurrency. Hot wallets. These are wallets provided by exchanges for quick access, but are connected to the internet and may be vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets. These are offline storage options like hardware wallets, offering a high level of security. For maximum safety, consider transferring significant holdings to a cold wallet. Cryptocurrency is an ever-evolving space, so keep learning. Stay informed about the latest regulations, trends, and updates to protect your investments. Reliable online resources, blogs, and communities can be invaluable over time. While convenience is important, never sacrifice security. Always enable advanced safety measures, avoid platforms with suspicious activities, and take breaks to reevaluate your strategy as needed. Beware of fake exchanges and scams. Avoid platforms that promise unrealistic benefits like overnight riches, have poor or no reviews online, lack transparency in their policies. Always trust your gut, and if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Let's imagine you're deciding on an exchange. You note that Platform A has high reviews, solid security, and supports your local currency. However, fees are higher compared to Platform B, which has less robust support but lower fees. This step-by-step comparison can guide you toward the right choice based on your priorities. While reviews can be helpful, not all are genuine. Be wary of biased content or influencer endorsements. Cross-check multiple sources before making your decision. Investing time into evaluating exchanges can save you money and prevent headaches down the line. Whether it's understanding fees, payment options, or policies, thorough research is a powerful ally. Remember to ensure the platform operates within your country and supports your local currency. Some exchanges may impose restrictions based on your location, so verify this beforehand. For beginners, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of crypto trading. Start small, avoid impulsive trades, and stick to your initial goals. Remember, crypto is a long-term game. Beginner mistakes can happen. Always secure recovery options such as backup phrases or additional verification steps for your account. Store this information securely to avoid being locked out. Engage with online crypto communities to learn from experienced users. Reliable forums, Reddit groups, or social media pages can provide valuable insights and support. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, and it's normal to feel uncertain initially. Keep patience as your guiding principle. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. To wrap up, choosing the right exchange starts with understanding your own needs and taking the time to evaluate options. Focus on factors like security, reputation, fees, and supported currencies. Once you're confident, create your account, make your first purchase, and store your funds securely. We hope this guide has cleared up your doubts about starting your crypto journey. Begin reviewing options today, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or comments. Share your experiences and help others start strong too. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay subscribed to our channel for more beginner-friendly content and updates as you continue exploring the amazing world of cryptocurrency. Good luck and happy investing.